Hi, I am back again with you after celebrating Diwali. It's true that this time Diwali has been slightly different from the other years. Nevertheless, we have to enjoy the festival and also get ready for the forthcoming Christmas. Today, I am back with you with the subject matter, the value of relationship. See, I have tried to cover the past, the ego and other factors. So today we are going to discuss in different phases the value of relationship. Do you know that the relationship's importance depends upon the aspect of simplicity, honesty, trust and credibility, which is becoming a difficult thing today whenever we try to confront with other people. This is getting replaced by a unique factor called pretension, manipulation and calculation. So I call it as a PMC syndrome. So today I will try to discuss only the pretension, then slowly we'll get into the others. Pretension has become an order of the day. Why? Because if you really see, the pretension gets into a factor that is called escapism, and it also being denoted as a dishonesty. Why dishonesty means you are not what you are trying to be what others want to be. So there is a dishonesty in your own behavior, in your own personality, and that causes issues. The problem with us today is we, in the name of that I don't want to hurt others, we try to do so many things and causes more damages in the value of relationship. For example, if you are not able to like someone, there is nothing that you have to hurt him or you have to become arrogant. You can politely work out with him by expressing that you are not comfortable with him. Now, it is very easy to say than done, I agree. But for example, if you are uncomfortable with your bosses, try to see what is the factor which is creating that kind of discomfort. But instead of that, you assume things and start pretending with him. The more you pretend, the boss becomes suspicious about you and he starts losing trust and confidence on you. Same way, this relationship factor in all aspects, not only boss subordinate, friends, and also in marriage, parents, wherever in your life, you are spending more time on pretending, and what is happening, you are losing your own personality, and finally you don't know what you are, and you get into a mixed personality syndrome. That's why it is said that you be what you are. Don't try to compare or try to become somebody else which is going not to be your normal self. My behavior at times, people tell me that I am very straightforward, I am very arrogant, maybe. But I have always felt that it is better to call the shot straight rather than twisting and doing other things. If something is required to be told, you can be firm but polite and see to it the other person does not get hurt, he gets convinced. So gentlemen, what I would like to suggest to you that the best thing is accept people what they are and you be what you are. Unconditional relationship, unconditional forgiveness is going to make your life more peaceful, more happier and more beautiful. This pretension word is a dangerous disease like corona. Please keep away from pretending things. Be honest to yourself and also honest to others. So, for me, pretension is the highest form of cheating and dishonesty to each other. So, in relationship, pretension should be avoided. Think about this seriously, practice it. I would also like to share that some of my mantras which I have told in the past, some people have practiced and they have been successful. So, it may be difficult. It may look very difficult to practice, but try it. I am telling you, please seriously think, you will be enjoying it. Stay safe and be happy. Thank you.